So Henry got the 3M Ultra Restoration Headlight Kit, and we're gonna go ahead and open this packet on the tool table and look at what it is. As you can see right here, I told him to get a packet that has, you know, a little bit of sandpaper, a little bit of this, a little bit of that, because I want to do it for him professionally to where it looks shiny.
Hey everybody, thanks for coming back to Disturbing Creations, and today I got a special for you. So we use a lot of different products, we order from a lot of different companies, and we do a lot of different aftermarket stuff. So what I want to do for you today is a review.
All right, so today I'm trying a new headlight cleaning kit. We've done like 4 or 5. I really like 3M. So my neighbor purchased this one, and I'm gonna go ahead and show you what's in the box right here. And then we're gonna go ahead and use it on his vehicle so we can see how it comes out. Now, I like 3M personally, so I really feel that it's gonna work. I'm glad he chose this kit because it came with these headlight clear coats so that it won't go yellow afterward. The clear coats are really where it's at. So let's go through the kit here. So it came with some instructions and it tells you everything that's in the kit. So that's pretty nice, because a lot of these don't even come with these instructions, and some different products. So 3M really goes out of its way to help you out. We have the drill tool, and I'll show you how that works. So you're going to put this part into the drill and lock it in, and then this part has the Velcro-y pieces, and the back of these also have Velcro, so they'll stick right on, as you can see. And you just tear it off and throw it out. So the first thing we're gonna do is we are gonna use these 500 grit, and we're gonna put one on and sand the light down, and that's to get most of the scratches. Then we're going to move to this 800, and this is going to tear down the scratches that we put in with the 500. So you have to put scratches in to sand, you know, to get it to that base where all the scratches on your light are the same. And we're basically doing the same thing where we're making the scratches smaller with this. And then we are going to, well, this is all that this kit has, is these pieces and this. You want to tape it off if the light is still on the car. And they also gave you one glove. Why do we only get one glove? So maybe there's supposed to be 2, but we only got 1 glove. But the glove does look nice and thick. So here's the kit. And we're going to go ahead and get, oh, we're missing a piece. So there was supposed to be an emery pad here, to a polishing pad, but I don't see it. So I think someone had opened this kit previously and took the emery pad out, and I have an emery pad, so you're supposed to get this emery pad as well, which is like 2,000. So it says Trizact Gray refining disc 3000 grit. We did not get that in our pack. So I'm gonna go ahead and supply that, and then I'm gonna show you how to use all this stuff. Go ahead and start taping around anywhere you think that the sandpaper might go. And I'm gonna go ahead and tape this up and fast forward it so you can see what we're doing. So stage 1 is the first sandpaper. That's gonna be 500 grit. I like to do it wet. Some people don't do it like wet, but I feel that it works better. Just take your time. We're only on stage number 1. I'm going a little fast, but I'm trying to get this done. It's already 4 o'clock. So. So that's number 1. I'm going to change the pad, clean the water, and we're going to do the same thing again with 800 grit. That was 500 grit. So this is going to be stage number 2. Change the sandpaper. Get wet. Alright, so this is the 3000 little try thing that they call the last pad. So we're just gonna go that. Now we're on our 3rd stage. Now we're going to dry the light off, and then we're going to go ahead and start the buffing process, and then we're going to seal this light. Now, so the polish doesn't get all over the place. I put the sponge in the polish, and I get a little bit, and I kind of put it all over the window, or the light, because I don't want it to just start flicking everywhere. Just going to try a little bit for right now. We'll see. Okay, so now we're going to use this quick headlight clear coat now that the light is all done and shiny and looking brilliant. Let's get a look at it. So let's go ahead and try this and see how it works. Ooh, man, look at that light now. Wow. Wow. It looks brand new again. It looks brand new. Oh, I hope he's happy when he comes back. Let's get a close up. Ooh. So this is the first time I've used this kit, and I didn't have my headlight drill that I'm used to. I had to use a new drill. Also, it didn't have the emery or that 3000 grit, so I had to use an older one of mine. I didn't have a fresh one. I do see a little bit of swirl in the light, so I would like to go over and do it again because I'm a perfectionist, but I really do think the light looks 1,000% better than what it did. On this side, I want to show though, there's a burn mark inside this light right here. You can see, and I think that's from having the wrong bulb. So I don't, that can't come out unless you open the light somehow, but the light is shiny. It looks way newer than it did. It looks pretty good for using this light. I mean, I like 3M, so I would give this a 4 out of 5. Just because it only came with one glove. The emery kit wasn't in there, but the seal was still on the box, so I don't know if someone stole it or it accidentally fell out, or if the company. So I don't know if the emery board or the, I keep calling it emery, the 3000 grit, the buffer piece, I don't know if that fell out or they didn't put it in. Quality control, if someone took it. There was only one glove to try to do the headlight all with one hand. One glove is kind of hard because I like to open that thing up a little bit and move my hand around the light. But besides that, it made the glass look really shiny, and usually I don't see any of these boxes come with sealant and so much of a kit. So, I mean, I hope that he's happy. I think the headlights look great, but I can make them look better if I would have been more prepared. But I give 4 out of 5, so I think they're pretty good. So thanks for coming back to Disturbing Kreationz. You know, give us a like, thumbs up. Check out our shorts. We're doing a lot of shorts now, and we're starting seasons. So look for those playlists. All right, we love you all. Subscribe. We're out.